Pressure. Measurement of pressure. The pressure exerted by an object at any point depends on the force applied to it. Pressure increases with the increases in the force. Similarly, the larger the area of the surface of the body, the more will be the pressure. Pressure depends on the magnitude of force applied on the surface and the area of surface over which the force is applied. If F be the force applied at any point on the surface whose surface area is A, and P be the pressure exerted by the surface, then pressure is equals to force by area. Application of pressure in daily life. Pressure has an important role in a different work that we do in our daily life. Sharp plug with sheer weight of iron is used to plug the field to make it easier to plug because more pressure will be exerted even while applying less force due to the less area to the plug shear. Similarly, one end of the sickles and knife are made sharper to cut or chop the wood easily. The tip of the iron nail is made sharper to drive the nails easily on the walls. In the in some cases, more pressure may be difficult to work in the daily life. In such situation, pressure has to be reduced. For example, the back wheel of the tractor is made big and the wide to ensure that it does not sink on the ground while digging in the field. Similarly, pair of tires used to use in backside of the buses and multiple wheels are used to backside of a heavy truck so less pressure is exerted to the road. Pressure of liquid. Measurement of pressure. Let us consider the liquid of density D filled in the container height h having cross section area A. The acceleration due to the gravity at this place is g. The volume of the liquid container is given V is equals to A into H. The force exerted by a body by a liquid in the bottom of the container is called the weight of that liquid. The pressure exerted by the liquid column at its bottom in the force acting normally per unit area of the body. Therefore, pressure is equals to weight of liquid column by cross section area. Pressure is equals to W by A is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity by area. Density into volume into acceleration by area. D density into volume into G. Acceleration due to gravity by A. D into area into height into G by area. P is equals to at dg. In the above relation, the pressure exerted by a liquid depends on the depth of the liquid column as density of the liquid and acceleration due to gravity. The pressure exerted by a liquid increases with the decrease in the depth of the liquid column and density of the liquid. Application of liquid pressure in daily life. Liquid has a weight and its exert pressure. The pressure exerted by a liquid increases with the increase in the depth of the liquid column, so it has a various application in our daily life. Some application of liquid pressure is are given below. The bottom of the dam is made thicker than its wall and the bottom of the water tank is made thicker. Deep sea divers wear special costume to go to the deep sea. A water tank is kept at the maximum height in the house. The bottom of the bottle used for holding mercury is made thicker than the bottles made for holding other liquid. Air pressure. Have you filled the air in a ball with a air pump? Have you seen the air filled in the tube of bicycle, motorcycle, and other vehicles? You must have seen that the oxygen cylinder is filled with the oxygen gas. Air can be compressed with filling in the balls, tubes, cylinder, etc. The pressure of the compressed air is greater than the atmospheric pressure. The volume of the air is reduced with the help of the compressor. When the air is compressed, it is produced due to the compression and the air pressure increases. Compressed air is considered as the important medium of the transfer of the energy in the industrial process. It is used in the power generating equipment like air armor drills, wrenches, etc. It is used to operate automatic air cylinder and drive vehicles. The braking system due to the compressed air is large. Trains have to stop them safely. Compressed air brakes as used in the large vehicle running on the highway. Use of compressed air is increasing in high level cleaning equipment and air refills. The pressure exerted by a compressed air in a measure with the pressure gauge. It is used in the millibar unit. The unit of the standard atmospheric pressure is mmHg. Atmospheric pressure. Uh, Take a glass and fill activity 6.7. Take a glass and fill it with water. Cover the top of the glass tightly with cardboard or a piece of thicker so that it becomes airtight. Now keep the glass in inverted position by keeping the palm of one end of the cardboard and holding the glass by another end, and so in the figure. Now remove the end and the cardboard. Observe the figure. Manometer. Manometer or pressure gauge. The pressure exerted by a liquid and gas is measured by a manometer or pressure gauge. Out of various types, U-shaped manometer is used to measure the pressure exerted by a liquid. The level of the liquid is both limbs of the U-shaped manometer to is equal. When the pressure is applied to one limb by liquid or gas, the level of the liquid is another limb increases. The pressure exerted by a liquid in the manometer is measured by the difference in the height of the liquid column in the two limbs. Application of atmospheric pressure. We can do various activities like filling ink in a pens, filling injection in the syringe, and filling the air into the tube of the bicycle, etc. Due to the atmospheric pressure, all these instruments are based on the atmospheric pressure. When a piston is pulled out, this instruments within the pressure side is the piston decrease and the liquid liquid and gas are pushed inside the piston due to the atmospheric pressure. We cannot use this instrument without atmospheric pressure. Therefore, atmospheric pressure has a great importance in our daily life. Take a funnel balloon, level pipe, pile wood or plank of wood, scale pins or small iron nails and glue stick. Connect one end to the level pipe to the narrow end of the funnel. Covers the largest end of the funnel by stretching the balloon over it. Fix the level pipe in the U-shape of the plywood by using pins or iron nails as shown in the figure. Fill the U-shape level pipe by using water horizontally and mix some color in it. Fix the scale measuring tape parallel to the right side of the U-shaped tube by the glue using glue sticks or pins. Now dip the melon into water or push with your hands, thumb, and the change in the level of the water in the shape of tube. यो भिडियो आज आएन भने यहाँ भर्खर लाइन गएको छ है बिचमा यहाँ हेर्नु लाइनै गयो भर्खर यो सोलरको बत्ती हो बाहिर सबतिर अँध्यारो छ बाहिर अँध्यारो छ यताउति कसैकोमा लाइनै छैन लाइन गएको छ आज आयो भने त भइहाल्यो अब भोलि आयो भने चाहिँ